Choosing a quality metalworking machine is just the beginning. The real advantage comes from the support behind it. We go beyond the sale. Hasil Karya deliver on our promise of reliable, after-sales service that you can count on. From seamless installation and precise commissioning to continuous technical support, ensure your machine runs at good performance, keeping your operations smooth. Hasil Karya, your machine. Supplier for dependable after-sales service in metalworking machinery. Experience Hasil Karya differences.